A sound story is a great way to help children listen to sounds. As you tell the story, they can watch and hear you make the sounds. Using support like cued articulation also helps your child to build information about the sound. Here is one of our therapists, Helen, telling a sound story.
Hiya. Right, Teddy's been busy again today. And today, Teddy wanted to play with his car. And his car goes vroom, vroom, vroom. Teddy likes his car. And next, Teddy went to find the dolls. He found his dolls and he played, and then Dolly was tired. Night-night, Dolly. Then Mum called and said it was tea time. So Teddy had to go and have his dinner. And he's got his dinner. Yummy dinner. Now after tea time, Mum said it was bath time. And the best thing of bath time is bubbles. So Teddy got his bubbles in the bath and he went p, 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 p. Teddy had a lovely wash and then he was very sleepy, so off Teddy went to sleep. Night-night, Teddy.
It helps to tell sound stories somewhere quiet to help your child. You can find our sound story on our toolkit. See the link in the description. You can also have a go at making your own.